Spring has arrived in Finland. My wife and I went to see what migratory birds we could find near a lake in downtown Tampere. As soon as we arrived, we spotted some coots. These are fun and feisty birds that are always enjoyable to watch.
Yeah.
Our journey continued, and my wife spotted a delightful surprise far on the edge of the ice. A pair of smews. These northern birds have just stopped here on their migration and will soon continue towards Lapland. There were also lesser black-backed gulls on the ice. That was a pleasant observation too, as the lesser black-backed gull is an extremely endangered species in Finland. I decided to film the smews a second time. This, in my opinion, was the most thrilling sighting of the spring so far. Soon we heard the song of the European goldfinches in the trees. The European goldfinch is a funny bird because you can hear it easily, but it's hard to see. Perhaps it's because even one bird sings so loudly that you might think a whole flock is nearby. It was wonderful to walk in the spring nature after a long, cold and dark winter. Although nature isn't yet green, birds are singing everywhere, and you can sense that summer is near.
Oi, mikä se oli?
Towards the end of the trip, I noticed a bird hopping near a pile of branches, and it turned out to be a robin. I haven't seen a robin all winter, so this was also a really nice sighting.